Hello guys, an updated version of Capcut now comes with a watermark, and today I'd like to show you how to easily remove the watermark from your video. As you can see, what I did here, you're going to leave headroom whenever you want to start recording. Okay, make sure the space, this what we call the headroom, there's enough space. I haven't done that. Just do whatever you need to do to your videos, do your editing, and when you are done with the editing, you will export it. I'll be back when it's done. So now our export has been completed. The next app you want to use is InShot. Go ahead and import your video into InShot. This video we just exported. Okay, let me change the canvas to 9:16. You see, look at the watermark, the Capcut watermark here, right? So what you're going to do now, just click on your video and drag it a little bit. See, that is gone. Don't worry about this other InShot watermark. Just click on it. It'll tell you to remove. So it's just going to play one ad, and before you know it, you are done, and that watermark will be off completely. You see, it's no longer there. So go ahead, export your video, and you are good to go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find value in this video, why not give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.